hundreds of years, humanity has searched for its past by digging into the ground, slowly uncovering fragments of civilization long gone. Cities vanished beneath sand, forests, and oceans, leaving behind questions that shaped our understanding of history. But today, archaeology is entering a new era, a future where ancient secrets are uncovered not only by human hands but by machines, robots, and artificial intelligence. The way we discover lost civilization is changing forever. Despite centuries of exploration, most of human history remains buried. Entire civilization disappeared under deserts, forests, oceans, and modern cities. Many sites are irreachable, unstable, or simply too dangerous to explore. Others were destroyed by time before anyone knew they existed. The past isn't missing because it's gone. It is missing because we lack the tools to find it safely. Excavation is not harmless. Every dig permanently alters a site. One mistake can destroy information that survived thousands of years. Fragile artifacts crack, walls collapse, and context is lost forever. Archaeologists must choose between discovery and preservation, a decision that has shaped the field for generations. Robots are changing this balance. Compact robotic explorers can enter sealed chambers, narrow tunnels, and unstable ruins without damaging them. They move slowly, record everything, and leave the site untouched. In environments where humans cannot survive deep underground or underwater, robots are now the first to witness history. Oceans hide some of the oldest traces of civilization. Ancient ports, trade routes, and cities now lie beneath the sea. Robotic submarines equipped with cameras and sensors explore this depth for months at a time. What was once unreachable is now mapped, studied, and preserved digitally. From above, archaeology looks completely different. Drones equipped with advanced imaging systems scan vast landscapes in days instead of years. They reveal patterns invisible from the ground, straight lines, geometric shapes, and buried structures that betray human design. Entire lost cities have been discovered without touching the soil. LIDAR technology pushes this even further. By firing millions of laser pulses, it can see through forests and vegetation, exposing what lies beneath. Dense jungles, once believed to be empty, have revealed roads, pyramids, farms, and massive urban centers. History didn't disappear, it was hidden by nature. Finding ruins is only the beginning. Artificial intelligence analyzes satellite images, terrain data, and historical records to predict where ancient sites are most likely located. Instead of guessing, archaeologists now follow data driven evidence. AI accelerates discovery while reducing damage and cost. AI also rebuilds what time destroyed. Shattered pottery, collapsed buildings, and fragmented statues can be digitally restored. Missing pieces are predicted, structures reconstructed, and entire artifacts reassembled virtually. This allows researchers to study objects without physically altering them. Some of the greatest mysteries of history are written in symbols we cannot read. AI systems are now trained to detect linguistic patterns in ancient scripts. While not perfect, they assist researchers in translating inscriptions that remained undeciphered for centuries, unlocking forgotten stories. With enough data, entire civilizations can be rebuilt digitally. Streets, homes, temples, and marketplaces are recreated in 3D. Researchers can simulate how people moved, worked, and lived. For the first time, we don't just study ruins, we experience ancient worlds. Technology offers a new philosophy preservation first instead of digging everything. Sites can be scanned, modeled, and studied without disturbance. If the physical remains are lost to erosion or climate change, the knowledge survives in digital form. With power comes responsibility. Who controls this data? Who decides how ancient cultures are represented? Machines can analyze, but humans must interpret with care. Archaeology is not just science, it is cultural memory. Technology must serve that purpose, not replace it. Many ancient sites are disappearing faster than we can explore them. Rising seas, extreme weather, erosion, and human development are threatening ruins around the world. Robotics and AI are not just tools for discovery, they are tools for preservation. By scanning, mapping, and digitally reconstructing these sites, archaeologists can protect knowledge even if the physical structures vanish. Every digital record becomes a safeguard, a way to remember civilizations that might otherwise be lost forever. Technology may lead the way, but the human imagination remains at the heart of archaeology. Each discovery tells a story of people who lived, loved, and built societies long before us. Robots and AI can reveal what is hidden, but understanding why civilizations rose and fell, how cultures interacted, and what lessons we can learn that is still human work. Technology gives us access to the past, but humans give it meaning. The future of archaeology is precise, intelligent, and respectful. Robots will explore the unreachable, AI will connect fragments into stories, drones will reveal landscapes thought to be empty, humanity will uncover its past without destroying it. The ground beneath us still holds countless secrets. This time, we're ready to uncover them with the right way. The story of a human history is far from finished. Beneath our cities, forests, and oceans, countless civilizations remain hidden, waiting to be discovered with robotics and artificial intelligence. We can explore these ancient worlds more carefully and precisely than ever before, uncovering secrets without destroying them. The past still has much to teach us, and every discovery brings us closer to understanding where we come from. If this video inspired you, like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which lost civilization you hope will be uncovered next.